So this is what I would say what not to do is to not to lock in your French stitch. There's no reason to lock in a French stitch. And I'll explain to you here in a second why. I see the rookies do that a lot. Okay. It's going to be real evident here in a second. Oh, I just locked the stitch on a French stitch. Oops. Okay. So this is what we got. When you lock in a French stitch, how does that look? I don't like it. I don't like it. And this is the reason why. Because if you go to put the pieces together now, say you have another panel to sew. Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Do you see it? See what I'm talking about? You can see the lock stitch in your French stitch, and I've seen this hundreds of times on show cars. You know, I hate ripping on other people's work, as you know, but when I'm at a car show and I see somebody's seat that looks like that, I notice. Maybe other people don't notice. But okay, now just imagine, remember earlier we did this one. Okay, just for other informational demonstration purposes, let's just do this. So let's go ahead and put these two pieces here with my method, and for giggles. And let's check our result. Here we go. Here we go. Clean. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so now compare that with that. Right there. And see what I'm talking about? Well, here's another one in the books. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please write in the comments and let me know. And until the next time, we'll see ya.